Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. If you are new, I'm Maggie, and welcome. Today we are going to be making pork cutlets. These are pretty much very similar to how I make my chicken cutlet, but I wanted to share it with you because they're easy, they're delicious, a little bit different than just serving the regular chicken cutlet. So I really wanted to show you how I make them. I really hope you guys enjoy the recipe. As always, if you do, make sure you give us a big thumbs up. And if you have not yet subscribed, you need to do that right now down below. Enjoy. Bye.
You know the drama is never ending. Don't let it get the best of you. And all the fake friends just keep pretending. That's how the little things get huge. Paralyzed in every pore. Oh, you feel it taking over you. To the center of your core. The lies are getting overused. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting